everything still looks the same after 3 months. Huh. I forgot about these. Okay. Let's power them up. Yep. They still work. Well, it's time to test them out.
I'll be damned if it isn't Mike Mauser. How you doing, kid?
Oh, Ethan. Hey man, I'm doing good. How about you?
Same old, following orders. But, me and the crew is glad to have you back.
Thanks man, I appreciate that.
Yeah, don't mention it. Also, come out here. I got something to show you.
Alright, yeah, just give me a second. Alright man, so what do you want to show me?
You see this? This is what I call dynamite. And it's like a grenade, but it takes longer to go off and it has a larger radius. There's a couple other variants I've been working on, like a time bomb and a sticky dynamite, but this was the first creation.
Oh wow, that's impressive.
Yeah, I know. You want to see it in action?
Sure man. Yeah.
Alright, you might want to hide behind something.
Alright.
Here we go. You ready?
Ready?
Woo! That was something. In fact, I think that was better than the first one. Mike. Hey, how'd you like it?
What?
I said, how'd you like it? What's wrong? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm fine. I was just really loud, man. Why didn't you warn me?
What? What do you mean that wasn't loud at all? Kinda sounds like a regular grenade.
What? Bro, my ears popped.
Oh, well, my ears are just fine and I was closer than you were. Are you sure you're still not, on the meds that they gave you at the med bay?
Well, maybe. I don't know, man. I'm just gonna go get some rest. I'll talk to you later.
Alright. Sleep well. Man, that kid gets weirder every time.